The Skin Research Institute sent me the SRI DryQ hair dryer for my review, and I'm excited to try it out. One of the things that I read about this is it's meant to be super lightweight. If I'm being totally honest, one of the reasons I just kind of let my hair air dry is because our hand starts to hurt after holding that hair dryer for such a long time. Only thing I've done so far is just kind of cut the seal on here. So let's see how it comes. Ooh, it's so pretty. Look at this diffuser. This is massive. This is beautiful. And then of course you do have the two different size pieces here, and then the unit itself. Wow. The other thing I read, check this out. This is a 9-foot long cord, which is fantastic. I don't know about you, but back in the day, you know, you're in your bedroom, your mirror's in another spot and you're trying to bring it over. So now that you have this beautiful long cord, I do love that you've also got this. You can keep it nice and together. So let's see here. This says twist. I don't know. Let's just rip this off. There we go. We're going to take that off. We're going to take this off and check out. Look how beautiful. And you know what? They were totally right. This is super lightweight. Definitely, I feel like the cord might be heavier than the actual machine, which in my books is absolutely fantastic. This also has infrared technology in here. So what that means is it starts to dry your hair from the inside out, which we all know is better for your hair. So yeah, we have like fast, wind to temperature, the hot, cold. I definitely love when hair dryers have the option with the hot, cold as well. And this also, so it says twist. Oh, look at that. So if you're traveling, you can just fold it in half and it makes it nice and small. Twist. I thought it was going to be a button. Now how do I, okay, there. Okay, let's go ahead and plug it in. So I just showered. My hair has been wrapped in a towel for probably like 20 minutes. So it's not like soaking wet. I don't like to use a dryer on my hair when it's like completely drenched. I like it when it's like this and just kind of finish up the drying process. So let's just go ahead and turn it on. Oh, I love that it's not super loud. That's fantastic. Oh, and then you can actually put it, there's like a lock on there so that you don't actually hit any of the buttons by accident. So, oops, I turned it off now. Haha. Okay, wind. She's got some power for a little guy. Temperature, hot, cold, and that's a cold. All right. And then fast. Ooh. Okay, let's go ahead. I don't know if I can actually put this. Oh, and it's a magnet. Of course it is. Did you see that? Look at that. Yeah. All right, let's go ahead. We're just going to go check this out. All right, so let's turn it off so you can actually hear me. So you saw that my hair was not like soaking wet. Literally have been doing this for 4 minutes, maybe 5 minutes. I know I need maybe another minute or so. There's a little bit of dampness here, but otherwise, man, this did a fantastic job. My arm doesn't even hurt. And one thing I do want to mention that I forgot to mention, so when this is on, you actually have a cold button here. So yes, you can control the temperature up here. You can go hot, cold, but let's say you're on, you know, hot temperature and you're blow drying your hair and then like maybe it's like too hot on your scalp, your forehead, whatever. You can hit this button and it instantly goes cold, like within seconds, like, or not even within seconds, literally right away it goes cold, which is really fantastic. So yeah, if you are looking for a fantastic hair dryer, super lightweight, definitely travel friendly, highly, highly recommend this one.